P&P Outdoors presents a review on Zippo Hand Warmers. This segment has been brought to you by Webyshops, your outdoor gear connection. So today we've got some Zippo hand warmers. They're not your typical hand warmers. They're fueled by lighter fluid and have a metal casing. So they're not your standard peel open the packaging, pull it out, shake it up, and wait 10 minutes for it to get semi-warm. And then after a half hour you realize it's either too hot or it's not warm at all anymore.
We're going to show you how they work and how to use them.
So these Zippos come in 3 different colors: Realtree Camo, Chrome, and Black. So you can either be styling in the chrome and black, or you can be out hunting with the camo and look great there too. Alright, so these are extremely easy to prepare for use. What you do is you take the cap off, then you take the catalytic burner off, comes off pretty easy, and then you've got your opening where you take your fuel cup filled with fuel and you pour it in there nicely without spilling, obviously, so it'll get a smelly mess everywhere. A half a cup is 6 hours, and a full cup is 12 hours, and you can obviously keep refilling it throughout the day. So now we're actually going to show you how to do it. When you take the cap off, you take the catalytic burner off, and you've got your housing right here. Take your cup and your lighter fluid. Edit that out. So now I've got your cup and your lighter fluid. You pour the lighter fluid in there carefully. I'm only going to do a half cup for now. So now you've got your cups of fuel and your housing ready to go. You insert the tip right in there. You just give it a little squeeze and the fuel should start going in there, nice and easy. So nice and easy. So once you've got your fuel inside your burner, you're ready to light it. And you can start to feel it warming up pretty quickly. So you can keep it like this if you want. You've also got these little baggies it comes with. You can slide them in for a little bit of protection if it gets too warm, or just to hide in your pocket nice. It's very nice, very convenient. It's awesome for the hunter, any outdoorsman, going to sit at sporting events, going hunting, fishing. Slip your hands in your pockets and you'll be warm.